So the problem reads, your history exam consists of 10 true or false problems. What is the probability of getting exactly 7 questions correct? So the first thing we need to do is figure out what kind of problem we're talking about. Obviously, it's a probability problem. We notice that there are 10 problems. They are true or false. This right away is a pretty dead giveaway that we're talking about a binomial probability problem. The reason is the 10 satisfies the condition that we're talking about a finite number of trials. And the true or false means that the probability is consistent for every one of the trials. 50% true, 50% false. Or better yet, 50% that you get the problem correct, 50% that you get the problem incorrect. So this particular problem wants to know, what is the probability of getting 7 correct? So what we need to do is we need to pull up our binomial probability formula. So here we have it. The probability of x, or the function of x, is going to be nc choose x times the probability of x times 1 minus p to the n minus x. So before we even plug things in, let's talk about what the different things are. So in this example, n is the total number of possible trials, which is 10 because there are 10 problems. Our specific problem, which is the x, wants 7. We want 7 out of the 10 to be correct. The probability, the small p, which is the probability of success, is going to be 1/2 or 50%, depending on which way you want to put it in the problem. And then obviously 1 minus p, which is the probability of failure, is going to be 1 minus 1/2, which is 1/2, or again, 0.5. Once we have all of these pieces, we can now go ahead and plug it into our formula. So here we go. We have, so this gives us 120 times 1 over 2 to the 7th times 1 over 2 to the 3rd, which is 120 over 2 to the 10th, which is 120 over 1024. This is going to simplify, which equals 0.1172 or 11.72%.